Life happens so fast like magic. I even wonder, am I really 42 years old? I feel like I'm a fresh graduate from the University of Life that is looking for a job. Actually, I have no idea and I don't know where to go. In my previous life, everything was planned, structure, and control. And that's including our emotion and feelings too. But that was considered normal, and I can totally see why. But as I began to love myself gradually, I saw the things that I didn't want to be, and it's always a good start to begin. See, we tend to always want to jump into sunshine and rainbow without ever honoring the rain, the storm, and the darkness, which is all a part of us. Yes, we can hold into the rainbow while allowing the trauma to reveal itself. This is how we can recycle our pain and extract wisdom. I have 2 children, but they are not living with me because of the divorce. This is one of the most hardest things I ever have to deal with myself. All of the hard things that happen, no matter how hard and seemingly impossible to accept, it is always there to bring us closer to our true essence, which is love. I used to control everything because I don't want to feel unworthy and I don't want to face my traumas. And it also means that I was suppressing myself from my truth. Life is all about unlearning everything and creating a new version of us while keeping an open space for impermanence. It doesn't matter how old we are. We even can start at 90. Starting a new life at 42, I feel like a child again in this adult body. Time seems floating and I felt like I've been in the dark soil for so long and now it's time to sprout and breathe the fresh air again. It's not easy, and all of the pain has turned into strength and wisdom. One thing I know for sure that pain is the perfect place to start to know ourselves, because pain creates momentum and a force to go inward. Life can only be started when we take the first step to allow, embrace, and honor the pain. It started when we appreciated the trauma inside. We all have pain, and I give you the permission to start embracing every emotion that arises. That is our purpose in life, to become the truest expression of ourselves. Thank you.